What's up, guys? Welcome back in the channel. I'm Mark. Thanks again for being a part of Not Your Father's Capital. XRP Army, welcome in. Let's get it going. We're going to talk XRP price recovery as we've seen a little bit of a boost come about. All right, we're going to get into that. Make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. Smash that like button as well. And follow us on X. The handle is in the bottom left of your screen. Never miss a beat when we talk crypto. And let's get into it, guys. This is something very, very important when we look into what is going on within XRP. We're going to tell you guys why we're seeing a recovery here, as we got a $3.5 billion boost with a 220% volume surge, coupling in a very good update, okay? Now, we're going to get a quick dive into the chart, show you guys exactly what XRP is doing, up 3.5% on the day. Still seated a little bit below that 60 cents threshold, right, guys? But it's something where if you're long on XRP, you're really not concerned with what's going on in the day-to-day, the week-to-week. As long as we're not falling off the table 30, 40%, I'm really not concerned, because XRP for me has always been a long-term play. You can see basically how we were above 60 cents at 63 cents over the last week, and we got that sharp sell-off with the selling the news event with the Bitcoin ETF shortfalls, okay? But that's coming, so they're going to be a very short-lived dip. And if you guys are into, swing trading, making moves on the daily, you want to go, you want action now, very much a buying opportunity at that dip. If you could have called that bottom down there below at around 55, 56 cents. So all good stuff. Remember, not financial advice, but let's get back into the article, guys, because this is something where I want to indicate how we've seen basically the largest event within XRP, how we saw that significant liquidation of positions. Over $700 million was liquidated within the crypto market. Yes, a little mini crash, if you will, from that Bitcoin ETF spoiling. But it still could come about. It's just not going to happen January 10th. That's basically what I've gathered from it. If you guys have any of your own conclusions, feel free to drop it down below in the comments. But we've seen, this $3.5 billion inflow from XRP, basically representing that 220% increase from the previous day. And we haven't seen this much of a surge since mid-November. Now, that's what's very important to note, because that's what I mean, guys. The dip got basically ate up by the traders within XRP on the charts. So 20% dip, what we've seen, that's where XRP really was resilient, bouncing off of that floor and having a 15% recovery. And we're still going to get above 60 cents, guys. It wouldn't even shock me if it happened at the end of the week, by the end of the week, because I think this is going to be a very short-lived kind of twist that we've seen within the market. Not so much, maybe we're running a little hot, a little bit too steamy, but it's not something where I look at oh my God, sell my bag kind of event. This isn't like Russia declaring war on Ukraine, anything like that. Inflation's not raised 10%. It's something where we're just looking at, okay, we're a little bit postponed, so we're going to just run a little bit colder. We're going to just take our foot off the gas as it relates to this crypto pump we've been on, and all of a sudden we're back. So, a lot of institutions that get into the game, they're swing trading this event as well. A lot of opportunities to make money, just not on the good days. Even on bad days, you can still make money if you know how to, not necessarily time the market, but kind of read between the lines and what actually is going on. So that's why I like to make these videos for you guys, so you guys all are aware of what's going on in the market on the daily. Content every day, guys. But this is something where we've seen recovery like this before, all right? Bitcoin and Ethereum basically are showcasing what we've seen a little bit for a little bit of a turnover in the next coming days. But you have to understand something. A lot of this a lot of this Bitcoin pricing in was already in place. All right, this was already priced in with the ETF. So what we're seeing with basically XRP illustrating a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of a correction, if you will, it's kind of natural, right? If you have something priced in and that thing doesn't happen, you're going to get a correction. So obviously being in front of that is what's important. That's why I want to make this video for you guys. But as always, I hope you all are doing well. Remember to subscribe on your way out. Here on YouTube and on X. Make sure you guys are subscribed on both platforms. But I want to thank you guys for being part of the channel. Smash that like button as well. And XRP Army, do not forget to drop those X's down below in the comments box. And we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.